Here I'm going to show you very quickly how to change different fonts. Here we are on the classic page. I've made an event, and with this guy you can see here we can change just by highlighting the text. We'll select what we want and you just keep highlighting and changing. So I'm going to go back to normal, but I will show you here. We do it Option Potty, same thing. You can have different kinds of fonts that our designer has made. Select from there. Same with these guys, the typical selection of what you would find in terms of styling your fonts in the way you want. And then in this classic design, you'll see up here, we've got the large T and the smaller ones. So if I want to get rid of that headline, I just pop it in and it'll have a strike through, but I want to keep it. Maybe I want to get rid of the subheadline, same thing, strike through, and go back and add it in. And down here in these areas, it's the exact same idea in terms of the fonts. So if we just highlight something and change it as you see fit. And then what's happened as well, you were asking me about how do I change things up. So you'll see with the text boxes, they just have these arrows here. So you can do back and forths. Frequently asked questions is now on the bottom. It used to be just above the placeholder. Placeholder I want to keep back at the bottom, so we'll slide it back and forth. And now placeholder is at the bottom of the page, FAQs are above it, and I have another placeholder page here. What you'll see too in all of our designs is this area you can change. Those are those 3 different templates. When you first select your event, we're right now in the classic template. And so this is how that one looks like, where you have the large picture over top. And then whatever is directly underneath it, this you can't change in the ways that the other 2 lower blocks here are, but that's just with those arrows. So arrows are here, and the reason why you can't change this one is because it's just directly under the event. So our designers collected data to show that this is the best way of having an event page set up to engage donors and get donors to click on your call to action and actually purchase tickets. So that's why with this section right below this main event details area, we can't change it and slide it up or down in the page. So I hope that answers your questions, and feel free to holler my way if you have any more.